pay this extra to parliamentarians, you know. I say, oh, call parliament. We will do that. And the Biabe parliament. And we Biabe parliament, Biano. Parliamentary law, no change, say. You can say we may be a part of parliamentary job.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So it's like a honorarium. Oh, the bitch sacrifice. And you was sacrifice. We teach a jai. We a lawyer on practice. Beam a dreamer be a baby and ujai.
My lawyers, they be more for practice.
It will be over for practice. Is it who chambers?
Yeah.
Our mayor consultants in Asia. It is so we are. A bank as a honorarium and then as Graciano for set. I see where we was said when you know, sorry, BG, and not a movie I casse. Said about honorable car. So we dear. Let's all best could be ma. Time now you do clear as Graciano. Sorry, BG. A time what to the next election say we are.
And yet guarantees I'll be winning.
Listen. Time you do clear as Graciano. Understand? Because on the 6th of January, you know. You still be a parliamentarian. It as Graciano you do farmer.
Yeah.
Choba betina fianza. You understand? It that sees no. I say what collection aba. I wouldn't say we MP and I say we MP. If so over twice there, there should be an as Gracia. You understand? You are continuing. There should be an as
Gracia. For what reason? About the side now, you are not being fair to one boy best survey, right? When to me we near maybe a ma or beje, but who will be a modia? Why don't we have to treat everyone?
Because you are taking about 270 million. 27,000 Ghana cedis is easy. 27,000 Ghana cedis. I buy my car loan. Yeah, you fridge mu. I buy a pack of fridge mu the mouth.
I buy entertainment for no fridge.
Oh yes, of course. Your entertainment fee, fuel allowance. Clothing allowance. Everybody an auto. Who die kwana buy na fa hoka. You asama in kwandewa of 270 million a month. Now you asa kwata as Gracia the amount.
The MP is giving you 270 million, 28,000. And
270 million.
Okay, the current one they buy.
Yeah, 2,700.
27,000.
Yeah, 27,000.
Richard cross check me.
Cross check my. Okay, that is one by you see. Mr. Speaker. Na me pese enkofo boa me kakra and na ye ka your constitutional china in 2010 ye TSA review your constitution. This is President Mills time. The constitutional review committee no the mandate the bomb they say they should go out and collect the vote of Ghanaians. You understand?
Yeah.
Now omo draft bill to amend vision. I'm told that the constitution was amended, but people I say Ghana per our democracy at that time 2010 that time you said 17 years or something like that. It's not people thought that we hadn't wrapped enough to amend our constitution. Now let me say this before I start make corona. I said the reason why now a Gabriel father take us as a captain honorable no casa no can busy. Rollins was a power drag. Rollins was not power drag because the time na ye back constitutional rule no who here say ubia west because of your pesi sikuku near a whole quantity no as I see a map that you're more powerful in order na ye koye no na ya kakra. You understand? That is why they say should be the head of the Ghana National Armed Forces. You understand? So Bibe stage Kua, that is where it starts from. The vice president will be the economic management committee. The president in consultation with the appoint the IGP, blah 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 blah. And you na ya amend the constitution. Let's see. Adia Baku, no problem. They say. So we did the history of this country since 1992. Say how we appoint our president. Yes, I'm sure. Speaker, when you read the Article 62 of Ghana Constitution, a how the vice president. Now, my main kind of crunch or say there shall be a vice president of Ghana who shall perform such functions may be assigned by the Constitution by the president. That 2, a candidate for the office of the vice president designated by the candidate for the president for the election of the president. Are you with me? Be with me.
Me too.
You see, or see the provision of the Article 62 of the Constitution.
Article 62
apply to a candidate for election as vice president.
Me too.
Or say a candidate for the vice president shall be nominated by the candidate for the office of the president. Let's just say or contest election for the office of the president, no candidate, no.
And the
or the bayi okay, see the provision of the Article 62 of this Constitution apply to a candidate for election as a vice president. Eti se person president of this country. Next all file electoral commission, that's all file details. All file the vice president, no, at the count. A can be to say constitutionally, no. Vice president no constitution in the number 80 wo president no say vice president no edu maybe no say only call the kroma ultimate fire. That is the disaster. I tell you that it is a constitutional crisis.
Is that the case? So ultimate fire vice president?
No, you cannot fire your vice president. I'm telling you.
By law,
you cannot buy, but other jurisdiction.
Article 62, person shall not be qualified. Article 62, right?
Yeah.
Yes, a person shall not be qualified for election as president of Ghana unless A, he is a citizen of the Republic of Ghana.
How do you give that provision?
Okay, until the hen and I section B or C.
Yeah, this one I'm reading from an abstract where how ex-president should be or say there shall be a vice president of Ghana who shall perform such functions as may be assigned to him by the Constitution or by the president, by the king or by the president.
Okay, and then the Article 60.
Yes.
Article 60 clause 1.
Okay.
And it define clearly functions of the vice president.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Article 60 that now we're reading.
So maybe point in is Speaker. Other jurisdiction, you go to South Africa.
Okay.
Who's a South Africa? What they do is they do the elections, then the prince and appoint somebody who's to lead the party. So that person becomes the president. You understand? So the person will choose his own president. So constitutionally, constitution bind the president, and other jurisdiction apart from South Africa, it is a president and president need to be fired, but this one, the president cannot fire the vice president. The reason why I make us say is, listen, in 1995, before the 1992 elections, the measure of NCP, National Conventional Party, led by Konkansan Aka, and the NDC came together, they merged, and they said that the president should be the NCP side to provide the vice president. So Aka automatically became the vice president to President Rawlings. In 1995, this is what happened at the cabinet. And he said, Aka could make his statement. Vice president could make his statement be the cabinet at that time say cabinet need this guy or may corrupt. So after that statement, their first cabinet after that statement, President Rawlings told him, say, Masa, as some now could baby can say, yeah, cabinet need this guy, and I say, yeah, corrupt. And what Casas we are on fata say, Obertna, your friend say, cap meeting him.
Okay.
And according to report in then President Rawlings held the vice president aka to say and aka shrugging is a shrugging, no, you understand? Now we're meant to understand that President Wallace beat vice president at that time. But when you read the book of Professor Kwame Nkrumah, that President Wallace did not beat aka nemo omunyeni na akoto from tenio. Also omunyeni na fell down during the struggle. They fell down. Sorry. After that incident, bad blood between the two. So it means that Aka was not able to cooperate throughout the 2005 to the election of two next that he and President Kufuor became the Great Alliance. You understand? So looking at how President Wallace at that time, said now, sorry, now constitution and whole can say or fire the vice president. Now come fire. You understand? And the vice president role is also crucial. So you deprive the vice president in this one to me and you do or minus a classical example is also when you read the Professor Kwame Nkrumah book. It's also tells us President Wallace went to Tamale to say something about against President Mills. It was a damning comment, derogatory ever President Mills. Then President Mills called Professor Kwame Nkrumah and said, "Have you heard what your president said about me? I'm going to resign." So it took President Nkrumah and Romokofa, Captain Kodoti Kata and Honorable Totobi Kwachi, and they rushed to castle. When they went there, President Mills at that time as vice president, up packing a normal, no alcohol. And they sat him down, convinced him to the midnight. Understand? To the midnight before President Mills, Etias Atna, I played the role as a vice president to President President Rollins. And when you read at that period, said there was a bad blood between him and President Rollins. You understand?
But
and he couldn't fire him because of a constitution a binding. Ebasana the next OPBN student of politics who follow current affairs. Who say the dying end of President Kufuor's rule about 2 years. Mr. Kojo Pieni was acting as a vice president because he was powerful than the then Ali Mahama. It was clear. I'm telling you by fact. If you follow MPP at a point, Kojo Pieni became powerful than the vice president. That compared the Ali Mahama just Tamano company to become a flag bearer for MPP. Okay, maybe Sabono Coco was the president for me, my baby pa, because that time there was perceived say that President Kufuor and Trastono to become the flag bearer of the party. Who say there was a report by Mr. Atta was also about to resign.
I don't know what he say about
that was the hearsay. It was a fact.
The point I need.
Listen, it was a fact. Say, Mr. Atta wanted to resign, and he was called by some of the elders of NDC and some of the gurus of NDC or resign a big good party then was.
And you equally heard say even John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah,
at some point
because that brought the bad blood between Koko and the whole and President Mahama. Because President Mahama was relegated background and Koko and the whole was acting. The same thing that I'm coming. The same thing. And Abis Atta. And you see, Abis was relegated to background, and he became the fifth powerful man in Ghana instead of second powerful man. Because according to the report that I'm not going to disclose my report, but I'm telling you that as a student of current affairs, and also Obiamasi for 10 good years, our Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. You understand? We talk to Say, Ami Sata, President Mahama, I'm coming honorable. The Mahama was the powerful person. Then his chief of staff was Babani, second powerful person. Then Valerie Soya as the deputy chief of staff, third powerful person. And Stan Dobe became the fourth powerful person. So, and Ami became fifth. And at a point, Ami Sata appointed board members. Appointed board members, and they have to be a Stan Dobe. So at that time, Ami Sata said, no, I have to resign because he was also Ami Sata was once
a governor
of Bank of Ghana. So he was brought to a strategy to replace President Mills as a frontier politically, and also the economic management team. And at a point, he was also relegated. They take the decision. So all this one, be said. The president will see something in Mr. Speaker, and as Mr. Speaker who's as a president who's in an Afro Ziga. But in 2 years' time, no, will say, the Ziga na minimum no. And they say no what here.
And now what about Dr. Baumia? Honestly, I don't know. One after the other. Dr. Baumia getting Anna. And then I was visa going to was it?
I felt so
but there is a question, Dr. Baumia, I really get to know. Debbie, Pacho, Mema, Honorable, so Ziggy, no money. Analysis, not maybe sound say, per the wire, and the series of it, I would be very educated. Obi, I would say, be an Betiasi who they are Kosovo Ghana. But yes, I say, who provides president? They say, I really get to know.
I have really a person, me America. Mumbo, and conform back to a better answer our question. The most vibrant vice president ever happened in the history of the Republic. It's about me. This is the manner, your man of opportunity start to take decisions. Because me say, Debbie America say, minister you point to as a minister. Apart from the president no you ought to get a special initiative. And Debbie America say chocolate was the idea of Jacob Belamte. One district, one factory, and then another the news to do. You understand? There's one to say computerization of this country. Say you electrified in now. President, vice president, the news to do.
Okay.
Oh, the digitization, put in that way. And you're vice president, the news to do. So all what I'm saying is that media for me. Until Jebia will be the 10-1 and you're investigating here.
I will see a sideline.
Good.
But I said there was a committee here on my penny set up. At the time, no one sense maybe rough kakrano. Economic management committee team no. But there is also another committee here about penny set up. Say Jamba for more, your friend is say, was for more. Ketamo Chairman Sabons who came together to form that committee. At the time, I knew on Mampenya Mediatry were known head economic management team. And none of beginning and make a reference here. On Mampenya Mediatry was see no watch what they know at to prison. Eddie Key no ama IGP. Etiabani saying and a city breaking jail. At that time, no Adam Mampenya set up that committee. But the assumption is here no because Mampenya Nanado Danko Kufuado. Okay, assumption and the allegations. It is alleged. Say what pursue free what will be taking over from him. Nipa no person will take over no. Dr. Bade or no Mampenya Nanado Danko Kufuado be relevant still now no or be having that of authority within the New Patriotic Party. The more reason why I say no one more Dr. Abe a frontliner. I no spearhead a lot of government agenda and Woodrow baby. The last time I was Moko Kumasi no. Na me bisa say in terms of protocol, it was baby.
Say I told you yeah.
Omampenyi president echo eventer. Omampenyi mombet nasi. Now I welcome the vice president. It is a breach of protocol. In America, it doesn't happen.
No, you are going far.
Good.
You are going far.
Some of this thing, the assumption and the allegation is that it is because Omampenyi Nanado Ehuni Wabwama Dr. Bawumia Ebeye, the next flag bearer of the party. So now, Ukraina party. That's the more reason why at this time round, your man is spearheading a lot. But